the hottest day of the year, I'm going to show you how to do the candle spells. It is cooking out here. But I got to get this up here because everybody's buying the candle spells and they don't. I need to show them how to do it. Okay. Pick a candle spell, whichever one. This one is the money spell. And I chose the High John the Conqueror incense to go with it. You pick what incense you want. Take the spell candle out of the bag, hold it, and visualize perfect success. Visualize you're already living it. You've got all the money. You've got putting money in the bank. You're saving money for the kids' college. You're buying a decent car. You're planning to take your mom and your mother-in-law and your whole family on a trip or whatever. Okay, perfect success, whatever your goals are. Hold it for a second, visualize that. Then put it in a candlestick and leave it there. Whatever candlestick it goes in, just leave it there. Bam. Okay. Take some of the incense. Where's my straw? I also have a video on how to burn the powdered incense, but I'm going to show you again. I made a shovel out of a straw. Can you see that? Look at that. Like that. Okay. Take a tiny bit of the incense. Be stingy with it. It goes a long way. Place it on a heat-resistant surface. I've just got a little slate off the French Quarter roofs right here. I like to work a flat rock of some sort. That's what I like to do. Put a little bit on there. And then take a second and push it together into a tiny pile like this. That way it's all touching. That way the incense will burn all up nice and easy. A tiny bit goes a long way. You don't need more than this. But once you get used to how much it smokes, you can add more if you want. Or you can burn the incense throughout the day if you want. You can do whatever you want. These are tools for you to use any way you see fit. I'm just going to show you how to do this so nobody's fumbling. Okay, so also get yourself a little kitchen timer. I got a little cheap one from Walgreens. That's a digital one. It's really handy. They're about $5. Get you a kitchen timer. So now the candle is ready. And you're going to light the incense. I like to use kitchen matches. Buy the Diamond brand. These are the good ones. You got to watch it. The cheap stores, they're crappy. Light the incense. Then light the candle. Then set your timer for 7 minutes. Boom, and set the timer. And go about your business. Don't go too far off, because when the timer goes off, you want to come back and put out the candle. You want to pinch it out or snuff it out of some sort. Don't blow it out. It's bad etiquette, okay? Then the next time you burn the candle, you can burn the candle the same day. You can burn the candle the next day. Whatever rhythm you set up for yourself. You're going to light the incense, you're going to light the candle, and then you're going to use your kitchen timer and burn it for 11 minutes. Then snuff it out when the timer goes off. Next time you burn the candle, you're going to light the incense, light the candle, and burn it for 11 minutes. Rotate. 7-11, 7-11. 7 minutes the first time, 11 the second. 7 minutes the third, 11 the fourth. You rotate your burning time. The kitchen timer is kind of nice because it keeps time for you. So you have I have a dedicated one that I leave with the stuff that I'm cooking. Okay, you can burn the candle once a day. You can burn it twice a day. You can burn it 4 times a day. I don't care. Whatever you set up yourself. Burn it when you're aggravated. Burn it when you think of it. I like to do this kind of thing in the morning when I wake up and the night before I go to bed. That's my personal style of rhythm. Unless I get aggravated during the day, I'm going to go light it up again. Stop and say your prayers. Okay, that's how you do the candle spells. Enjoy, y'all. There's all kinds of spells, all kinds of incense. You can mix and match them any way you like. All right, take care.